Once again, I'm here at the São Paulo International Airport. Living in Brazil for a while, going to another place. But first I want to say, wish you guys Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. I do hope you guys have a wonderful year. God bless you all the success, all the love and peace for everyone. So I haven't been recording much in Brazil as I was expecting, because I was just enjoying time with family and friends, not going anywhere specific, but really having that special moment, with the loved ones. After this trip, I will be in Brazil for another 2 days. Probably I will not record much because I will just going to say goodbye to friends and family, and then I'm going back to Japan with Bruna. I'm right here at the gate, flying to Buenos Aires, Argentina.
Com sua atenção, por favor,
Pretty excited to
United
go.
voo 860 com destino Washington.
Not mine, still not mine.
Conexões.
Finally, going to Argentina, 3 days in Buenos Aires, and then we're going to Patagonia for almost 6 days. I heard food there is amazing. The Argentinian barbecue, the empanadas, the lamb, the wine, of course. So let's go together, guys, this journey. And this time, I promise you guys, there will be vlogs every day.
Flight 304, destination Buenos Aires.
Oh, we just landed in Buenos Aires. We just had to do the luggage stuffs, customs, immigration, and then we're out. We are here at the hotel. It's 3 a.m. in the morning. I'm super sleepy. We're doing the check-in here. And after that, we're going to our rooms and just sleep, We're super tired. And probably we'll leave around 8 for lunch and stuff like this. So guys, see you tomorrow for our first day here in Buenos Aires. Buenos dias. We are right outside here in Buenos Aires. It's pretty chill actually. The wind is strong. We're in that hotel. We stayed there just for breakfast and sleep, shower. Now we're heading to another place. We're gonna leave our luggage there, and then we're gonna start traveling and walking around. Vamos, vamos. Here at the Plaza de Mayo. It's some kind of main square here. It's right after the Metropolitan Cathedral of Buenos Aires. Behind me there's a Cabildo, which is a national museum. And right in front of me is the Casa Rosada, where the president stays. Very important place here in Buenos Aires. We are just walking, exploring the city here. We are I don't know where exactly, but we are heading to the Bay Area. After that, we're going to a place called San Telmo, which has some shops, restaurants, and famous for the market. And probably after that, we are heading to Puerto Madero, Madero Port, another part of the Bay Area. Our Argentinian friend said It's a really nice place to have like lunch and eat something. It's really beautiful. It reminds of Odaiba in Tokyo. The city is pretty beautiful. Weather is really cool today because it's like sunny, no clouds, but still not super hot, just like really chill wind. Pretty nice. Guys, this empanada is the best. I love it. Tastes so good. Oh my god, it's so good, so good. Here we are inside San Telmo Market. You can find a lot of souvenir stuffs and all, of course, food. It's mainly restaurants and kind of bars. You can have a beer. So we stop in one bar here. We're gonna have beer, take a little break. We have been walking a lot today. Then we are gonna keep going. Ai, kanpai! Kanpai! Salud! Kanpai! Salud! Here in Obelisco, people are celebrating the Venezuelan freedom from Nicolás Maduro. It's super crowded here, full of Venezuelan people and also Argentinian people who are supporting them. Hey, salud, Argentina, Brasil. Obelisco here, and all the people celebrating. It's over 10 p.m. here in Argentina, and they are gonna party for a really long time. And with the whole Venezuelan people and Argentinian people celebrating, I'm gonna finish today's vlog. First day here in Buenos Aires. Very nice day, chill. Nice to see a lot of cool places here in Argentina. Have a wonderful dinner in Argentinian barbecue. Muy rico, muy rico. I love that. It's late. I just slept 3 hours today. I'm gonna take shower and sleep because tomorrow we have more, guys. See you tomorrow. God bless you all, and I hope you have enjoyed today's video, guys.